In a video, I look for some tin mackerel rundown. I pick my gaze, you so I take a piece of now. See the people, dumpling, right black. The people, soon checking back with them. Welcome people, welcome back to the video. In a video, I look for some tin mackerel rundown. How much of you did know that tin mackerel can run down? Leave in the comment section. Leave a like. Share the video. Support people. Support by the sharing the video. Subscribe to the channel. Touch the bell if you want video drop. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on TikTok, Summer TV Vlogs, and also my personal IG, Jeff876. Man, prepare the rundown with dumpling and zimmy and stick fire. From before, stay tuned. Alright people, you see this? At the first time I make the tin mackerel rundown. So bear with me, and if you see me do something way could do better, you can just comment below and tell me. You see me? You have two ways to do it. You can just prepare the coconut milk and boil it down, you throw mackerel night. Seeing like you do normal rundown, or you can put a little pepper on the fire. When it hot, you throw a little bit of oil night, and they throw like onion, scale and thyme, tomato, sweet pepper, the pepper, everything, and saute it, and then you throw the coconut milk in it and make it cook down, and then you throw the mackerel in it. But me throw if you do it the original way. Make the coconut milk boil down, because it's the coconut milk, if you don't prepare it properly, it make your belly run, you see me, and I don't want that. So me rather cook it the regular way and sure no say yo it cook, you see me. The first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get all the sticks that I want and prepare the fire, and then we can blend the coconut. After I blend the coconut now, then we just light the fire and put it on the pot, you see me. So stay. Alright, so spot people, and then my stick I'm gonna use, you see me. So what I'm gonna do now, before I catch the fire, and then blend the coconut to get the milk, you see me. Alright people, so come back now, we just light the fire, let's light the box, right that so, and then we throw them upon it, you see me. Then I bram where I catch it, you see me. So all I need to stick them at the back and chop and put the fire. Yeah people, coconut a blend. Alright people, see coconut milk here. I catch the fire now. The plate look away. Like rain on fall. Till that Wednesday. Focus, yeah? Wednesday, August the 25. I don't know see how a be a rain, so hope rain fall. And the last time I cooked the rundown, rain fall. So if you not see the video, one can check out the video, you see me? Yeah. So I catch the fire now and put it on the pot. Click on part this I can do because the stick fire faster than coal. So quick time it's done. Long time I cook pan them thing. See the people. So when the fire catch up, checking back. Fire almost there people. Because if a rain and fall, the sticks don't really dry. You see me, and kind of cold, 100% dry. So it can take a while to catch, but get in there. Alright. That's why I go on people. So pot gone on pan fire now. I don't prepare much of people. I don't make enough, you see, because first time I make the tin mackerel rundown and first time I eat it, you see me, so I don't know what to expect. But anything coconut milk going always nice, you see me. If you cook some white rice and cook it down in coconut milk, be nice. You see me? So I guess it's not nice. So stay tuned. If I can low people, really blaze hard. But I boil along same way, Put some more stick on there if you can shove up a little faster. Sight. Alright, so alright people. See next time I come back, I can put in like skeleton, thyme, pepper and them things there. Knife at it, see me, because soon will boil long and I not put enough, you see me, so it don't take long to boil long. As before, first time I make this, first time I eat it, and my family member them say, oh, they don't know what it taste, so they don't want it, and they kind of skeptical, you see, because they must say, oh, at first time I bought this, so I not make enough. So, soon check him again. Alright people, so I put the run down the onion, scallion, thyme, tomato, garlic, pepper, mackerel, one Maggi season, that longer run with the Maggi season. Right, I put your mackerel now. So, hold on there. Put the camera right there. I forget the hot tonight. I have to wash what in my plate. People, think that dry out. Alright, let's just go doing. Well, people in there must make sure Maggi seeds night, so I have to take Maggi, you know. First time making this, as before. Coconut milk almost dry out. The mackerel run down almost finished. So I do. I need up some flour pot and cook some flour too. It's in bar to dumpling. With some ripe plantain. You see me? This is my breakfast for today. So soon checking back with you again. So I take this now. So put that on that. And this one, this. People, as you see, run down finish. See, put the pot on the fire for the dumpling. And the right part, it's my little flour. People never see me put no salt in the run down, so make sure you put salt in it. See the people, dumpling, ripe lot, so 2, 4, 6, 7 ripe lot, and pot and well. People choose checking back because I can't the camera and need dumpling them. So I'm soon to see them people. About 8 dumpling and 7 pieces of platinum before. I can't have much food in the boat. Eat some of this for later, you see me? For lunch. I'm about to come one tasty. Come on about 3 pieces of the platinum or 4 pieces of the platinum and about 2 dumplings there because I'm not really a fan of dumpling. So, soon checking back. When them are done, link on the back. You see me? I know them are not at time for the key now, so go on. Almost there, people, almost there. Dumpling and sell bigger fat. I think you know people, so take off time. Take off time. So, share time, people. Dumpling kind of big still. I don't know what's going to for them, people. I really don't know. Yeah. 2 dumpling. And plantain. Them thing I mean up in people, I love ripe plantain bad. You see me? So I meet any amount of ripe plantain. As long as the ripe plantain, I shut it down. Alright, so I sit down and have all in ripe plantain here. Alright. Go for you come up with that. That's all them there. People, soon checking back with them. Yes, people, mega. Consume a million now. Not gonna lie. It smells so nice. You see me? Consume me now. So, stay tuned for more videos like this. By the way, subscribe to the channel. Touch the bell for more video drop, because if you don't subscribe and don't touch the bell, you don't know. You see me? So then need to touch the bell. Share the video. Please, me, I beg you. Support by the sharing the video to all things that you will love every day. You see me? Just share it out to your mother, sister, auntie, uncle, anybody. Just share it. Leave a like, leave a comment and tell me what can do better with the mackerel rundown. You see me? Because before, at the first time making this, so comment, like, follow me Instagram, follow me TikTok, Stammer TV vlogs, personal IG, Jeff876. Just do it right. I'm out.